In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post multiple photos in both portrait and landscape format in a single Instagram post. When you mix vertical and horizontal photos in one carousel, Instagram normally crops or resizes them in ways that can ruin your composition. The key is to make all your photos share the same overall canvas size before you upload them, so Instagram treats them consistently. I'll walk you through the logic behind this and how to prepare your images so they look clean and professional on your feed. First, decide which orientation you want your post to be based on. For most people, portrait is the best choice because vertical photos take up more screen space and generally look better in the feed. Instagram's common portrait ratio is 4:5, so we'll aim to make all your images fit into that shape, even if some of them are originally landscape. Next, take your portrait photos and check their aspect ratio in any editing app or on your phone. If your editor has a crop tool with preset ratios, choose 4:5 and adjust the crop so nothing important gets cut off. Apply this same ratio to each of your vertical shots so they are all consistent. Now, let's handle your landscape images. Instead of cropping them tightly and losing parts of the picture, place each horizontal photo on a 4:5 canvas. Most editing apps allow you to change the canvas size without cropping the image. Choose 4:5, center the landscape photo, and let the extra space appear at the top and bottom. You can keep that space white, use a solid color that matches your feed, or blur a copy of the photo behind it for a more stylized look. Go through each landscape image and repeat this process. The goal is that by the end, every single image you want to post has the exact same 4:5 canvas, whether the content inside is vertical or horizontal. Once all your photos are prepared, save them to your gallery in the highest quality available. Open Instagram, tap the plus button, and choose the carousel option. Select all of your edited images in the order you want them to appear. Because they already share the same ratio, Instagram will not force any additional cropping, and you can skip the manual adjustments. Finally, apply any overall filter or color corrections, add your caption and tags, and publish. Your carousel will now display a mix of portrait and landscape images that feel unified, well-framed, and clean, without awkward cropping or inconsistent sizing.